Okay, so good day everyone. So I am here in front of you to present our given game, which is quizzes. So, quizzes, an interactive learning and assessment tool. So let us first know what is Quizzes. So Quizzes is an online gamified platform for creating and delivering quizzes, polls, and lessons. Also, Quizzes, it engages learners through interactive activities and fosters competition and collaboration. So, why should we use quizzes or why use quizzes? So, first is it is easy to use interface, and also it enhances engagement and motivation. And lastly, it supports both in-person and remote learning. So, in short, quizzes is easy to use. So now let's proceed to the key features of quizzes. So first is it is a gamified experience. So timers, leaderboards, and power-ups. So in the game, it shows the timers, the leaderboards, and the power-ups. So second is the real-time feedback. So you will get the immediate results or the results in a second. So it is easy for the students and teachers. And third is question types. So you can find in quizzes some multiple choices, open-ended, pools, and others. So fourth is it is ready to use resources. So you can access a library of pre-made quizzes. So you don't have to worry in making your questions because you can find it there. And fifth and last is device compatibility. So it works on smartphones, tablets, and computers. So now let us go and tackle how quizzes works. So first, to create a quiz, as you need to sign up and log in to your quizzes account. So if you don't have any account, you can create or you can sign up to have an account. And next is use templates or start from scratch. So second is host or assign. So host quizzes live for a class or assign them as homework. Then third is students join. So students join using a game code or a link. So after making your questions, you can share the code or the link for your students to follow or to answer the questions that you've made. And fourth is analyze results. View performance data and identify areas for improvement. So after you answer the questions, the results will come out immediately, and you can view your answer if it is wrong or correct. And so now let's proceed to the step-by-step demo. First is you need to log in to your quizzes account. Second is click or select a quiz from library. Third is set the quiz mode, live or homework. So you can pick if it is live or homework. Fourth is share the game code or link with the students. And lastly is you can start the quiz and track student responses in real time. So you can see the students' responses in your quizzes or in your given questions. So in conclusion, Quizzes is an excellent tool for enhancing classroom engagement and learning. So it simplifies assessments while keeping students motivated. So I know all of us use quizzes in uh, our subject in TTL, or Teach Technology for Teaching and Learning 1, in Ma'am Ingito's subject. So I know that this application is, this site is easy for you to access because we have what do you call that? We have a background knowledge about this. So I think that's all for our presentation, which is the quizzes. So thank you for listening and good day.